Hi, I'm Wendy Meyers and I'm a board certified dermatologist here at Windsor Dermatology. I'm also a master cool sculptor. I'm here today to talk to you about cool sculpting. So cool sculpting, if you're wondering, is a non-invasive way to get rid of unwanted fat without ever having any invasive procedure. The way cool sculpting works is we have a machine that has an attachment that uses a vacuum to pull in all that unwanted fat that you want to get rid of. Once we freeze that fat, those cells are killed. Our body knows any cell that's not viable should be gotten rid of, and your body does the rest of the work. The process is slow in that you have to wait 12 weeks to see your final results, but it is very, very effective. So cool sculpting is excellent for reducing those unwanted pockets of fat that no matter what you do with diet and exercise don't want to go. We have 9 different areas that are FDA approved for treatment. Treatment zones include the abdomen, the flanks, the arms, thighs, legs. When you come in for your treatment, we have different applicators that run for a certain set amount of time. Depending on what areas you want to treat, your treatment can be as quick as 30 minutes or as long as a few hours if you're treating more than one area. Patients often ask us, how long does it take to see the results after their treatment? I tell most patients, you may start to see changes around 4 weeks, but it really takes a good 12 weeks to see that 20 to 25% reduction that patients can get with cool sculpting. After your cool sculpting treatment, you may experience some numbness to the area that we treated. That typically lasts about a week. You also feel sort of kind of soreness, like you did a new workout that you haven't done in a long time. Afterwards too, you may feel a little bit kind of bloated, a little bit puffy, and that's that inflammation that's coming in to destroy those fat cells. That does all go away again after a few days. So one common question I get from patients is, how many treatments will I need? I say that's really kind of what the patient's plans are. The machine has the ability to do a 20 to 25% reduction with each treatment. If a patient's wishing to get more reduction, they may need to do another treatment session. I kind of equate it to the bag of sugar analogy that I use in my consultations. The patient comes in and they're a bag of sugar. I would love to dump that whole bag out and have them be empty, but I can't. I can take it out a scoop at a time, 25%. So if a patient wants their bag totally empty, then we might have to do a few scoops. But if their bag is kind of empty already, it may just be 1 scoop. So when patients ask, is cool sculpting permanent? It is. We kill those fat cells. They will never come back. If you live a good life, you eat a healthy lifestyle, you exercise, you can maintain your results. When patients come in for their treatment that day, we make sure that they understand that they are part of the treatment plan. We encourage them to be very good about eating well, going through good diet and exercise plans. They're going through all this trouble of their treatment to get excellent results. We want to make sure that this is more of a team effort to get the best outcome possible. My advice to a patient who's gotten curiosity about cool sculpting would be to come in and see us. It never hurts to gain more information about the treatment and the procedure itself. Some patients may not be the ideal candidate, but you would never know until you came in to see us. In addition to having daily appointments for cool sculpting consults, which are free of service, we also have a lot of events where you can come in and have a day of just cool sculpting. We show you different treatment plans, you kind of learn more about the process, and we can really tailor your treatment to your body. One thing that sets us apart from other practices that do cool sculpting is that we have a great breadth of knowledge. We have numerous providers who are master cool sculptors. We have had that extra training on how to manage the more difficult or challenging patient, or the patient who's had previous surgeries and the approach to their fat tissue may be a little different. We also have 2 machines, so patients who are definitely time conscious, we can get them in and out so they can kind of maintain their schedule. I do think here at Windsor Dermatology we do really provide a wonderful overall cool sculpting experience. Between our first consultation, where we really evaluate your body and the ways that we can help you feel better in your own skin, to your treatment day, where we want to make sure that you're comfortable and enjoying your actual little private time to yourself for a few hours, to your afterwards, after your treatment. We want to make sure that you're feeling well and that you're expecting all the things that you should be expecting. We have technicians who really care about what they're doing. They want to make sure in 3 months that you're happy, that you're excited to see your results. And I think that's why at Windsor Dermatology you're going to have a great experience.